Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking the device and opening settings, go straight to biometrics and security, then choose fingerprints. Authenticate with your PIN, pattern, or password so the phone shows saved fingerprints. Once authenticated, you'll see a list or icons for each stored print. This is where you act. Tap the fingerprint entry you want to remove, press and hold only if the UI requires it. Make sure to do this with stable hands, because accidental taps can trigger other security prompts. You now remove the selected fingerprint. Tap the entry to get its details, then choose Delete or Remove. Android will prompt you to confirm. Confirming immediately removes that biometric template from secure storage. This is irreversible for that entry, which is why you confirm. Once delete completes, make sure the list reflects one fewer fingerprint. If you need to remove more, repeat the same flow for each entry, making sure not to erase the last backup access method, like your PIN or password. Finish by reopening the Fingerprints menu and verifying the entry is gone. The on-screen count should update. If removal fails, restart the phone and repeat the delete. Transient software glitches often resolve after reboot. If persistent errors occur, such as stuck entries or biometric sensor misbehavior, you can remove all biometrics by clearing secure folder data or, as a last resort, perform a factory reset. Note, factory reset erases all user data, so back up first. One key tip, always keep an alternate unlock method set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.